Hi everyone, hope all of you are doing great and welcome back again to my channel. And as always, I always come up with internships or some of the job reviews, remote jobs, or work from home job opportunities. So today I am back again with internship plus part-time jobs and also guaranteed job placement after internship opportunity. So let me introduce you today to this website, which is intershala.com. This is a company which is based in India, but they have tons of remote jobs available. So most of them are paid, and most of them are into IT or AI sector. So this is intershala.com, and this is how their portal is. You can see my name as I have already logged into this. They have tons of courses. If you click on the courses, you can see they have artificial intelligence, learning, advanced Excel, stock marketing. They are also placement guaranteed courses, and this is data science is one of the course where you apply, and after finishing your course they offer you a placement for a duration of 3 or 6 months of internship. I think that varies from company to company. So these are some of the courses which are available here, but most important what I wanted to show you is the internship opportunities. So here, if you see, there are tons of internships. So once you register into their website, which is pretty cheap, it is close to 20, 15 or $20, or might be lesser than that actually. Uh, yeah. So this is close to $15 if you uh, subscribe to their courses. These courses are short, but that gives you a lifetime membership. So you can do as many courses as you want by just paying 15 to $20. And that also opens up a window for applying to first search and then apply for internships. So it's a pretty cheap, pretty low investment. Courses are of short duration. This kind of platform is good for people who want to get into AI or any other option, and they want to see if it is actually right for them or not. So when I started my journey 7, 8 years ago, that's when I registered for this platform. It was they had very limited courses, limited options. The website was very different, but their courses were pretty cheap, and I did courses of artificial intelligence and data science just to see how it is. I think it is a good way to start. And then you get lots of internship opportunities. So if you look on the left hand side, I have clicked for analytics. You can look for, might be, let's say, acting or accounts. Let's look for artificial artificial. Here it is. For artificial intelligence course, and you have options to choose either from to work or part-time, full-time. They'll anyhow show you all the options. So they want AI tutor, they are looking for engineer, computer vision, which is also a part of AI, and data science, prompt engineering, machine learning. All this comes under AI itself, data science, AI engineer. So lots of options available. It also shows you, if you look, whether they are work from home or It's a hybrid opportunity, or you have to go to the or whether the internship is presential. Most of the IT courses or AI courses are generally work from home opportunity, which is really nice. And they have also mentioned how much they are paying in Indian rupees. They have also mentioned what is the duration of the internship. They have mentioned whether the vacancy has been placed today, few hours ago, or a day before, name of the company, position, whether they are actively hiring or not. Plus, they have also mentioned job offer starting, in this case, 12 lakh per annum post internship. So this is also a paid opportunity after you finish your internship successfully. So a very minimum amount of payment, and you get tons of options. You can do short courses as you have seen, and this is for lifetime. If you think that you have wasted your 10 or $15 for a lifetime subscription to find jobs, and not only in IT area but also let's look for marketing. So Facebook marketing, social, they have lots of different other options. So here as well, if you look, content and social media marketing, sales marketing, digital marketing, content creation, virtual charity drive, technology, so campus ambassador, all of these are related with marketing itself, business development, sales, social media strategist, content marketing executive. So these are tons of vacancies, and they have clearly mentioned all the details. You can always click on these vacancies, yeah, where you can read the summarized or um, extended description of the role overview, what are the requirements about the company. If you want to apply, the process is pretty simple. Apply now, yes, I'm available to join immediately, or no, I'm currently on notice period. You just have to click on the check boxes, yeah. And very simple, pretty fast. Are you fluent in both the languages, yes or no? You can always put your resume, or you can upload your own resume, submit it, and that's it. So the entire process of submitting um, or applying for an internship is of 1 or maximum 2 minutes. Sometimes they ask you certain questions where you have to write, you have to respond, and that might take a minute or two. So very simple, very nice process. It was very helpful, and it is for lifetime. I am not sponsored by this platform at all. I'm just exiting this application. So this platform is not sponsoring me, but I think it's an awesome opportunity for people who are looking for some sort of internship opportunities, or trying to do some short courses, trying to see whether the particular course is really good for me or not. So because I found it very useful, I thought to introduce you to this platform. Um, I hope you like this video. In case if you find it useful, please, as I always request, like and subscribe my channel so that I can come up with more and more videos related with AI, work from home, job opportunities. Thank you so much for your time, and I hope to see you soon. Thank you. Bye.